Once upon a time, in a realm not too distant from our own, there existed a small girl named Debby. With big, bright eyes and a heart full of courage, she clutched a glowing, mysterious tool in her small hands. The air around her hummed with magic as she stepped through a portal, her world instantly transforming into a futuristic landscape adorned with neon lights and soaring flying vehicles.
Wow, this place is amazing,
exclaimed Debby, her voice echoing through the vibrant expanse. As she ventured deeper into this new world, a group of robotic beings approached her, their metal limbs shining under the myriad of lights. The leader of the robots, a towering figure crafted from sleek steel, addressed her firmly.
Halt, who goes there?
Unshaken, Debby replied.
I come in peace. I'm just exploring your world with this magical tool.
Curiosity sparked within the robot leader as it examined the tool in Debby's hand. A flicker of recognition crossed its features as it realized the significance of the artifact.
That tool, it belongs to the ancients. You are chosen.
Taken aback by the sudden revelation, Debby's eyes widened.
Chosen for what?
The robot leader then gestured grandly towards a distant portal, through which a towering crystal castle was visible.
To restore balance to our world. The fate of our future lies in your hands, chosen one.
With each word, Debby felt her resolve harden. Taking a deep breath, she steeled herself for the task ahead.
I won't let you down. I'll do whatever it takes to save this world.
With a confident stride, she approached the glowing portal, stepping through it as the scene around her faded to black, her silhouette a beacon of hope in the encroaching darkness. Thus began Debby's magical journey, a quest that would reveal her true strength and, perhaps, the destiny of an entire world.